That's why I like. Because I like a spooky face. No, those channels. Look, you drop by the likes and no like. Yes, spooky.
No spooky.
No spooky.
No spooky. I don't like it. And it's not good for you because you're a baby. Yeah.
No, I'm big girl.
No, you're a baby.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah, you're a big girl, but you're still my baby.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah, but it's not good for you to watch this kind of stuff. It's not good. It's not good for you. Not. You hear me? Do you hear me? You're going to watch Sesame Streets, not
No.
this kind of stuff because it's not good influence. They're just making a video. They're not thinking about people watching their video. They just want views to earn money in their YouTube channel.
I'm watching on the tablet on the phone.
Yeah,
and
but
then, pre-game and Alexa.
they're making a video. They're faking it, and they just want
Yeah.
views
Yeah.
and revenues
Yeah.
from people to watch their videos.
Yeah.
But they're not thinking about kids watching their videos, right? And that's not good.
Yeah.
It's bad for kids,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love you.
I love too.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Mm.
Mwah.
Do you love mommy?
Yeah.
What is that? Ponytail? Sing.